What is subject? Subject does not hold any initial values. Subject returns the latest emitted value to the first subscription. Once after subscribing for the first time, subject immediately calls all the subscribers upon emitting. In the app.service.ts file, we have created a subject variable detail which will accept a string value. In mycrisis.component.ts file, upon clicking the Click Me button, we are emitting the crisis detail by calling the emit detail service method. In the Chrome, when I click on the first record, I can see the detail of crisis 1 is getting displayed in the root component, but it is not getting subscribed in the hero component. On further clicks, I can see the values getting displayed both in the root component and in the heroes component. When I click on the crisis tree, I can see the detail present in the console log as well as in the root component. Similarly, it is happening for fourth record as well. Let us now modify the mycrisis.component.ts file. I am introducing a string variable previous detail at line number 14 and initializing it with the value placeholder for detail. At line number 25, inside the onClick method definition, I say this dot appserve dot emit detail and pass the value default. Basically, on clicking the Click Me button, I am emitting a value default. Similarly, I am emitting the value 1, 2 at line number 26 and 27. At line number 28, I emit the value previous detail. Once after emitting the actual detail at line number 30, I am assigning the previous detail variable with crisis.detail value. Let us go to Chrome and clear the console. When I click on the first record, I can see detail of crisis 1 is getting displayed in the root component and nothing in the console. When I click on the second record, I can see the values default 1, 2 and the previous value and the current detail value is getting displayed in the console. After the first subscription, I can see the values are getting reflected immediately whenever they are emitted. When I click on the fourth record, in addition to default 1 and 2, I can see the previous value detail of crisis 3 and the current value detail of crisis 4 is getting displayed. What is a behavior subject? Unlike subject, behavior subject holds an initial value. It returns latest value emitted upon first subscription. It immediately calls all the subscriptions upon emitting once after subscribing for the first time. In the appservice.service.ts file, I will now replace the subject with behavior subject. At line number 10 and at line number 22, I am replacing the subject with behavior subject. I get the error an argument for value was not provided because behavior subject expects an initial value. At line number 22 in the constructor, I give the value placeholder for detail. I go to the Chrome and I can immediately see the initial value is getting reflected in the root component. When I inspect and go to the console and clear the console and refresh the page again, I can see the initial value placeholder for detail is getting reflected in the root component. I keep a breakpoint on the onClick method in the mycrisis.component.ts file and also in the myheroes.component.ts file. When I click on the first record and debug by stepping through the next line, I can see the subscription is getting called only on the latest emission. The latest value that is emitted is detail of crisis 1. When I go to the console, I can see only the latest emitted values getting displayed. Now I click on the second record, and when I try debugging it, I can see the subscription is getting called immediately in the myheroes.component.ts file. I can see the value default. Similarly, I can see the value 1 and 2 where I have subscribed the emission. So once after the first subscription, I can see the values are getting subscribed immediately as soon as they are emitted. What is a replay subject? Replay subject does not hold any initial value like behavior subject. Replay subject hold a number of latest emits to remember unwritten for first subscription. After the first subscription, it immediately subscribes upon emitting just like behavior subject. In the appservice.service.ts file, I now replace the behavior subject with replay subject. At line number 10 and at line number 22, I replace the behavior subject with replay subject. Once I do this, I get an error in the terminal saying an argument of type placeholder for detail is not assignable. Replay subject expects an integer value as in the constructor. I go to the mycrisis.component.ts file. I can see on the onClick method I have emitted the values like default, 1, 2, the previous detail and the current detail. Since I have given the value as 2, I would expect at the initial subscription I should see only the latest 2 values. I go back to the Chrome and clear the console. When I click on the first crisis record, I can see only the latest 2 emissions are getting displayed in the console. The previous detail and the current detail. When I clear the console again and click the second record, I can see all the values emitted are being subscribed immediately getting displayed in the console as soon as they are emitted. When I click on the fourth record, I can see all the values including the previous and current value getting displayed in the console. I go back to the appservice.service.ts file and replace the value 2 with 3 in the replay subject constructor. Now I would expect the latest 3 values emitted to be displayed on the console upon first subscription. I go back to the Chrome browser and clear the console after opening the DevTools. When I click on the first crisis record, I can see the latest 3 emissions are getting displayed in the console. Once after I click on the second record, I can see all the emitted records are getting displayed in the console along with the latest detail and previous detail.